Money is not the most important thing in life, but it is vital for a decent and comfort life. And budgeting skills not only provide the teenagers learn the value of money, but also train them about the conscious spending and planning for the future. Life of parents these days are like a roller coaster, and the cyclonic course of ups and downs of their life. The life passes by quickly, and before the parents could realize and know it, their own son and daughter grew up into a teenagers with a life of their own full of challenges. And the teenagers are also ready to face the challenges of their life. Now we need to educate them, we need to train them, we need to give them a mindset which should be able to make him fight with all the obstacles coming in the way of his life. We must train the teenagers about the budgeting skills. See, money is not the most important thing in life, but it is vital for a decent and comfort life. And budgeting skills not only provide the teenagers learn the value of money, but also train them about the conscious spending and planning for the future. Then what we need to train and how we need to make a mindset for him themselves. See, first of all, these days we do give envelope as a gift to our children. We do give some pocket money, and many parents have a complaint, then why we need to give the pocket money to our children? So what I'll say, that don't hesitate to give the pocket money. But apart from giving the pocket money, you need to train them to make a budget and stick to it. They should be aware how much to spend, what to spend, when to spend, and how much and when to save the amount. Teach them to donate. Teach them to give money to charity. Because the research has shown that teens who engage into committing the service for the betterment of society are more responsible with the higher self-esteem and resilience. Every teen must know how to open a bank account, how to use ATM, how to transfer money online, and how to write a check. These days, practically what we see is where a student who are graduate doesn't know how to fill a draft. They do not know how to fill a demand draft. They do not know how to fill a withdrawal slip. So these make them feel embarrassed. So we need to train our teenagers that they should be taught how to go with these kind of formalities which is needed in the bank. They should be taught to save and invest. But why saving should be taught? Why investment should be taught? Because habit of saving at early age will help them make better consumption choices. See, the consumers are rational, but rational needs to have a proper decision on the basis of choices. So they will learn to choose which one is better, which one is cheaper, which one is relevant, which one is not relevant. So we need to make them have a comparative analysis by these kind of teachings.